Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's going to be a start of a new weekly vlog. Today is Monday. Yes, I'm starting this on a weekday, and I decided to because I have something exciting to share with you guys. Not super exciting, but it's exciting to me because I don't know, it's gonna add a little bit of life to my home. So as you guys might know if you follow me on Instagram, I actually have this little fake tree that I got off of Wayfair, and it's really short. I call him Plant Armstrong, and I liked it for my room, but it's just too short. When they say 3 feet, they add in like the base of it also, so the plant isn't actually 3 feet, it's more like 2 feet. But I kind of wanted something bigger for my living room because I moved this out to the living room just to add a little bit of something to it, and it just didn't look right. So I actually brought a real plant, and the plant that I got is the Majesty or the Majestic Palm, which if you guys know what that is, it grows super tall. So I brought it from Home Depot for about $30, I think, and it just arrived today. So I'm gonna be unboxing it and showing you guys how it looks and kind of my first feelings about it. And yeah, let's get to unboxing this bad boy. Kind of nervous because I never took care of a plant before. I mean, I did and they died, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so there it goes. It actually really fills up that area much or way wider than I thought, and I think it's actually gonna grow pretty tall because it already looks very full. But I like it way better than the other plant. Like, it fans out that space better than the other one did. Like, it's still short, but I know it's gonna grow taller, so that's fine. But it's really pretty. Like, I really like it. I think I already added a lot to the space. It looks pretty good and alive. Like, I don't see any brown spots or anything, so I'm very excited. And they even put this thing, I don't know what it's called, but I know it helps keep it up straight, kind of. But yeah, sorry about the sirens. I live in New York City. What can you do? But I just want to share with you guys my new little friend for the house. We have another living thing in our apartment now, so yeah, I gotta give it a name. Probably will start something with a P, but I'll probably do that on Instagram, so follow me there so you guys can vote. But I'm excited. I mean, you guys probably already voted, but we'll see the next day. So just want to share that with you guys. Welcome to the fam. Hey guys, so don't mind my messy hair. I've just dyed coming back home, but today is Friday and I actually stopped at TJ Maxx and just want to share with you guys what I got from there, because I wanted to pick up some like home stuff and like beauty stuff. I'm sorry about the honking. I live in New York. It's always gonna be like that, and you're always gonna hear trains in the background. But yeah, I went to TJ Maxx after work and I just picked up a few things that I needed and a few things that I kind of wanted for my place. So I'm gonna share it with you guys because I'm excited. Can't wait to use them, and I love anything home and beauty lifestyle related, so let's get right into it. So first I want to start off with these boys right here. I got 4 candles, 3 masks, and an eye cream. So let's start with the eye cream. This is the Acure Welcome to Skin Wellness Radically Rejuvenating Eye Cream. It has CoQ10 and Edelweiss extract age performance. I don't know what that means, but it's 100% vegan and paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, petroleum or petroleum free. I don't know if that means petroleum free. I totally read that wrong. Silicone free and cruelty free. So obviously I never heard of these brands from TJ Maxx, but this was $7.99 and I definitely want to try it out. I'm going to open it for you guys right now because I'm kind of suspicious on how it looks. Okay, so it just kind of comes in like a tube like this. Really cute actually, I like the color. But yeah, we'll see how that works. I feel like this is not a lot, obviously. It's 1 fluid ounce, but I mean, again, you probably don't put a lot under your eye anyways, so we'll see how that goes. Then I got 3 face masks. The first 2 are sheet masks. This is from some brand called A Loop. I think it's like a Korean brand, not sure, could be completely wrong. And this one is the deep breathing mask, and it's moisturizing and repairing. And then this one is the awakening mask, which is moisturizing and anti-aging. And I think they come with, oh, it's 3 sheets per box, so you get 6 sheets total. I'm gonna try these out and let you guys know how they work. And then this brand I get a lot from TJ Maxx. This was $6.99 and it is a Pearl Essence 24K Gold Illuminating Peel Off Mask, and I just wanted to try it. I do just want some gold mask because I feel like they just look so luxurious and nice. Don't know how this one looks, but I'll test it out also soon so you guys can see. But I just really like the bottle. Like, I'm gonna place it on my, my shelf in my room where I do my makeup and see how it looks. It's very aesthetically pleasing. And then I didn't get 4 candles. I thought this was a candle, but this is actually a body scrub. It is an invigorating hemp and coffee body scrub with exfoliating hemp seeds, 100% vegan, gluten, and paraben free. Smells just like a freshly brewed coffee. It was $5.99, not too bad. I love body scrubs, and this one smells like coffee, so I'm not mad at it. The next items are my candles. So I just love the packaging of this one and the scent. This is a Sweet Naturals Wild Roses and Peach. It smells just like peach rings, one of my favorite candies. And then I got the watermelon and agave, and this smells just like Jolly Rancher watermelon candies. So love both of those, definitely summer scents. And then the last summer scent smells like watermelon airheads, and this is DW, which is one of my favorite candle brands. Watermelon, I can't speak Spanish, so I'm gonna say it with an American accent, fresca. I know that means juice, I think, or strawberry. I'm not sure, but you guys are gonna correct me, but this smells just like a watermelon airhead, so that's what I'm gonna call it from now on. And then at work, I actually got some eucalyptus because I know it's very good for your immune system and everything. So I got one to put hair in this mason jar that I got from Target. And this, you wouldn't believe, it was only $6 on clearance. And it's huge. So I just put it on my windowsill with a picture of my dog Casey, which is actually my sister's dog now. But I just love how this looks. Like the greenery, so beautiful. Definitely adding a lot of green to my home, and I don't know, it just looks in here, looks so fresh and so nice. Now I also bought 2 packs of eucalyptus. They were $7 each, which isn't too bad because they looked very, very fresh. And the main reason that I got it wasn't just to decorate my living room, but was to put in my shower, because obviously I know you guys seen it all over YouTube. People put them in their shower, under their shower head, so it steams up and creates these oils like eucalyptus oil. And it kind of helps with your immune system, it helps you relax mentally, physically, helps your joints, so many different things. You guys can search it, and there's a million different pros to it. And putting it in your shower and making steam come off of it is one of the ways how to use it. So I couldn't put it exactly underneath my shower because I do have like this thing hanging, and I don't want it to be in the way of everything that we have. So I did just put it in the window right there. So it looks kind of weird, but it works for now. I'll see if it works there. If not, I'll try and hang it up there. But I'll take a shower tonight, see if I feel like I can smell it. If not, then I'll hang under the shower head. But that is everything that I want to share with you guys that I got from TJ Maxx because I was really excited. I did get ramen. So good. Haven't had it in so long. Definitely worth it. But yeah, today is Friday. Don't know what I'm doing for the rest of the weekend. Probably just gonna clean up for the rest of the weekend and just chill out. But if I do anything exciting, of course you guys will see that next in the few clips. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little haul portion of the video. Good morning, guys. So it is very early, and I think it's helping my appearance that it's very early on a Sunday. But I naturally wake up at like 6 a.m. on Sundays because it's been like that for the past year now, ever since I moved out of my original childhood home. I just started waking up at like 6 a.m. and that's the time that I usually wake up to go to work. So it's affected me quite a lot, but I'm not too mad at it because I do prefer to wake up earlier on weekends so the weekends can feel longer and I can get more stuff done that I can't get done during the week after work. But I wanted to do some more home updates because yesterday I didn't vlog at all, and I did a lot of changes to my house again because I got some packages and some stuff, and I just wanted to share with you guys. So I'm going to start with my room because you probably noticed something different already. So let's jump into that. Isn't this little like sun spot like so pretty? Especially in the morning. Like I took a picture of it on my Instagram because it happens every single morning and I just think it's really nice. Like it's more vibrant like right here, like earlier, like around 6. Right now I think it's almost like 8. But yeah, I just really love it. Anyways, moving on to what I did. So I got this like desk table thing. It's actually called a kid desk on Target. It was on sale for $30. And you guys know that I used to have like a small little wooden table. My TV was lower, but I did want to get, sorry, my underwear is in that bin right there, but I did want to get like a small kind of console table, and this works perfectly. It's all black. It only took like 20 minutes to build, super fast and easy, and it just heightened, like lifted up the height of my TV better. So when I'm laying on my bed, it's not too low and I'm not stretching my neck to look down. So I really love this. It's just like metal and wood. Sorry, my house gets really dusty, but yeah, I'm in love with that. And I did buy some plants for my room. So I put up these 2 shelves that I had in my other room. As you guys know, I had this one up here above my mirror. And I didn't know what to put here. I wanted to put some pictures and whatnot, but I feel like I have too much like images on my wall already on the other walls, so I didn't want it to be like overcrowded. I just want something light and natural, and I feel like the TV kind of works as an artwork already from when I'm watching something. So I decided to put these 2 shelves up, and I'm gonna put 2 of the plants that I got up there. I got 2 pothos plants, which are, I heard, are very easy to grow, so hopefully they don't die. But they're like 4-inch pots, and hopefully they fit up there because these shelves are kind of narrow, but I don't care if it hangs over a little bit as long as they can fit up there. So I'm gonna put them up there, so hopefully they look nice. And I know once they grow and like hang down, it'll add a lot to the room. So that's what I did with that. And then the wooden table that I had under the TV, I put right here in this corner with a little basket on there with like my journals and notebooks that I use. So I just thought that added something. I don't really like the color fit because you can see it when you're like over here, but it's whatever, it matches my bed. I don't know if I really like it like all against this wall, but it's fine for now until I figure out what I really want to do with it. So moving to my living room, I just got 1 item that I want to share with you guys. I don't think I got anything else. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else, but I just want to share this item with you guys. As you guys know, I had my plant on top of this like stool thing before, just tighten it up and give it some sunlight, but now I put it back here for my record player. But I brought a plant stand because of course I need it to be higher, and the plant stand I got was from Target and it cost $30 as well, which I thought was kind of a lot because I don't think it's really worth $30, and I probably could have found it cheaper, but whatever, I still like it. But I will be getting a plant pot for the plant soon because it doesn't have one right now, and it should be arriving on Tuesday, as well as for some of the ones that's gonna go in my room. So let me show you the plant stand because I'm just rambling on. So this is the stand right here. That's how tall it makes the plant look. and it's just this black metal stand with like a wooden tray. So once I get the planter, the pot, it'll look put together. Now the pot is the same exact color as the pot is in right now, but that's just a plastic one. And I'm just gonna lift that up and put it into the pot that I get. I'm not gonna replant it or anything, because I heard that some people, when they replant these kind of like palm, like I think these called majesty palms or majestic palms, I'm not sure. When they repot it, it doesn't grow and it starts dying. So I don't want to risk that chance. Right now it's okay. I can't really tell if it's dying or not, or if like some of the brown spots were already there when I got it. So we'll see for the next week or so how it comes along. If it feels like it's dying, then I'll just, you know, either move it out of the sun or I'll add more water and see what happens. But yeah, I just got that. I feel like it ties in with the wood little decals that I have in my living room, and I'm really excited about it. I just can't wait to get the pot that goes in there, and then I might get a chair for this corner to put next to it. Not exactly sure yet, so we'll see what happens.